Today is 29th of November in India, evening. Yeah, and I are going to discuss about Federal Bank limited interview experiences. Lucky has come. Lucky, did you attend the interview or your interview is to be conducted after a few days? Lucky, please. Paran is coming. Yeah. Now the reports about the interview is coming that say many cases they have asked about degree subjects. They have also asked about the projects and they have also asked about selling some products. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
what, yeah. Lucky, you are from which state?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Acha, what is your name?
Lakshman,
Lakshman. What is your degree?
engineering, sir.
Which subject did you study in engineering?
Electrical, sir. Electrical and electronics.
Which year did you complete electrical and electronics engineering?
2017.
2017. You have worked in some IT companies after that?
No, sir. In insurance company, I work.
You worked in insurance company. Which insurance company was it?
Aditya Birla Sunlight,
Very good. What was your position in that company?
financial advisor.
Acha. What was how many years did you serve there? 1 year or 2 years?
2 years, sir. 2 years.
2 years. So
Yes.
what was your experience in that? What was the job role you had to do?
Job role is to sell the products of the company and bring good business for the company.
Mm. So were you able to succeed in the first few months? Was there any
No, sir.
problem the first few months or in the last part of the career?
No, sir. Faced so many problems while at the earlier days.
Mm.
Interaction problems were there. Terminology problem was there.
Mm.
Unable to explain the products. When someone asked you, already
Mm.
number of clients are already aware of the products also. They
Mm.
aware of good product. We have to compare the product and we have to explain a better way.
Mm.
This product it is better than that one.
Mm.
Likewise,
Mm.
so many problems faced in first 2 months. Then
Mm.
after I got addicted to the active nature
Mm.
and explaining the products. It will be helpful. Uh, Finding the client was the major problem in the starting days.
Mhm.
After that, I
How
learned some.
was the company helping you in to find say the clients or you had to do it yourself?
We have to do ourselves, sir. Actually, as it is an insurance company, we have to do it ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We
Acha,
have
you
to.
good morning, Samba Shiva.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Fine, very happy. I'm seeing you after 2 days.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
good. Now, Samba Shiva, the more than lucky. Please wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, Samba Shiva. Now I think the interview is going on more about our degree subject and also about selling.
Okay.
More about selling. They are asking you to sell some, say, this pen. Take this pen and sell this product, or take this phone and sell this phone to others, or sell some bank products to others. Likewise, they are asking. And that is what the people are telling. In fact, one candidate was very good in banking yesterday. I was talking to her over phone day before yesterday. And she went and attended the interview. To her disappointment, they never asked any questions on banking. Everything was related to sales, sales only. So now here we have with us one person, Lucky. He has worked in an insurance company in sales, and now he is sharing his experience with us. Mr. Lucky,
Sir.
will you be taking? Will you be willing to take up selling in Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Acha.
Why? Because
Uh,
in Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance, I have to find the lead. Whereas in Federal Bank, we have to take the lead from the customers who are visiting the branch where I posted.
Yeah.
This will be generally this will be happens.
Hmm.
And when we compare these two things,
Hmm.
Federal Bank, apart from insurances, we have some other sales like
Regular basic savings banks and the current account and
Yes.
also fixed
also
deposit, everything you can
FD
convert.
sales are there, RD are there, and giving loans there.
Yeah.
Credit
and-
management will be there, forex management will be there,
Yeah.
treasury
So
management. These all are there.
your products are more.
Yes, sir. More products are there. It is beneficial.
Hmm.
And
Good.
moreover,
Hmm.
I have gone through the programs providing by private banks.
Hmm.
They are for the same postgraduate diploma in banking services.
Hmm.
They are charging around 4 lakh rupees for the
Hmm.
program.
Exactly.
Whereas Federal Bank charging only 1 lakh rupee.
No, but
And
here it is
sir,
only for 27 days, na? Sambasiva?
yes, sir, I would like to add two more points, sir.
Ah.
The point one is the fee structure. The
Hmm.
point two is
They are
after,
paying
let's say,
salary. They are paying
yes, sir, they
salary.
are paying salary from day one.
Hmm.
Whereas in other private banks, they are paying full salary after 1 year of completing the program. It's a
Hmm.
major difference. Time factor is there.
Hmm.
Second point. The third point is the banks are, every bank is saying it is a PO or AM, but the role is BRO, branch relation officer or branch relation executive.
Customer relationship officer. Yeah.
No, sir, already it is replaced. Actually,
Mhm.
in customer relation officer,
Hmm.
60% of work is there in operations and 40% of work for sales. But in BRO, 80% of operation in sales and 20% of work in operations. One
Oh.
of my friend already working in Axis Bank as deputy manager in credit department.
Mm-hmm.
He explained all these things.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
For
Very good.
CSO, work will be 60-40 ratio.
Mm-hmm.
For BRO, the work will be 80-20 ratio.
Acha, your case interview is on which date?
On 3rd December.
Oh, in which place? Visakhapatnam?
No, sir, in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Acha, acha. Good, good, good. That is very good. So, if that is the case, it will be more convenient for you. You can sell and all do that very nicely. Now, imagine you are a salesman. You are going to sell this cell phone. This is MI cell phone. Please
Okay, sir.
try to sell this product to Mr. Samba Shiva and also Nikhil and Karan Malhotra and myself. We have four of us are here. You have to canvas and try to convince us to buy this product from you.
Definitely, I will try my level best, sir. Hi, myself Vishwateja. Actually, I'm product sales manager of this company, MI, which recently brought an evaluation in mobile phones. Presently, are you using any mobile phone, sir?
So I am having a Realme phone. About 3 years back, I bought one.
Okay, sir. Realme is also good phone, but whereas compared to MI, we have some more additional features, like you can control your any electronic gadget from this phone. The main advantage is there. Fingertip service is there. Apart from this, number of stores, service department is also good for MI. If any hardware or software problems comes, it is easier to find our stores nearby. Whereas in case of Realme, it is somewhat difficult.
So supposing 4 or 5 of us are there sitting before you. Now,
Okay, sir.
Will you talk to one person only or will you talk to second
No, sir.
person?
I won't talk to anyone. I will explain the features of the mobile primarily. I will explain the features and then only I'll go candidate by candidate what they are seeking, what they are interested in. What some as of now, present generation kids are using the mobiles to watch videos while eating. Let's say the toddlers, infants also. We have to consider that point. We can say that it's a water resistant.
Acha,
It's a
acha.
water.
It is water
Water resistant.
resistant. Oh.
Even though it is not water resistance, we can add a point to sell the product.
Yeah, to
we
sell
can
the,
add.
yeah.
We
Sometimes.
can add.
Now tell me, as a salesman, will you be telling some lies to the customers
Definitely.
in order to push?
No, sir. Actually, no salesman want give true data to any person. He will explain what he
He
wants to sell.
he cannot talk fully truth also.
Fully
At the,
truth.
at the same time, he cannot talk fully lies also. It has to be
Lies also.
mixture of these two.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, can you sell this to Sambasiva? He is sitting there. He is not having any phone with him. Why don't you sell one to him?
Definitely, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, Sambasiva. Good evening.
Good evening, Vishwadeja.
And how are you doing with these days? What's your plans?
Fine, going on.
Are you able to actually? Are you interested in TVs or watching movies or anything?
No,
Do you have any habits like that?
no, I don't have any hobbies to watching movies.
Apart from that, what are your habits? What are your
I,
habits generally?
I will read books and I will play with kids.
Okay. In this phone, you have so many features. They are giving eye specialization feature is there. It won't affect your eyes as you are wearing spectacles.
Actually,
And
I don't like to use mobile phone.
okay, it's a good thing. But why you are not interested in using mobile phones?
It is
The reason should be there.
waste of time, and without cell phone also we can do our things and we can survive.
Sir, actually, you are stuck at some point in forest, deep forest, due to some bad weather or anything. The forest is named for notorious for some dangerous animals. In this situation, what will you do, sir? Having a cell phone may save your life. Having internet facility may call with some other person who is trying to save you.
Very good, very good, very good. See,
Advantages are there.
Sambasiva, how nicely is he talking, you see? So
Yes, yes.
this he is able to do because he has got 2 years experience in insurance. So whenever you are asked to say canvas in bank interviews, you should be that much motivated and try to canvas. Okay, but it is true. I was telling you a lot of banking questions and all, but from the reports I find they are not asking banking questions. They ask only questions relating to your subject and something related to sales only. So we must be prepared for that also.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, Vishwadev is asking about products like he is questioning to me. In interview, we can ask to interviewer like that.
No, no, yeah, they will be asking you in interview to sell, say, please sell our bank assurance products. How will
No.
you sell your bank assurance products? They can ask you question like that. Another way is they will tell this is the bank assurance product. This product is, say, my investment in mutual fund. It is a close-ended scheme, but it is aimed at investing in equities. Please try to canvas people to invest in this scheme. So they will give you a product. So how will you try to talk to people? And that is what is the assignment. Here, when I was just searching here, I found there are 7 common sense ways to increase bank cross selling. That is, first of all, stay connected with people, continually evaluate your opportunities, empower your customer facing employees, ask for referrals, leverage offline and online channels, measure and reward what you want done. So, Mr. Lucky, can you explain about this? Because these are all very technical terms. What are they telling by upsell opportunities?
Sir, upsell opportunities comes in.
Yeah.
Sir, we will take ULIP plan as an example.
Mm,
ULIP plan as an example.
mm,
Let's say nowadays the market is falling.
mm,
Market is in fully in bearish mode.
mm,
We can come out from this stage and we can explain a client you can invest in the mutual fund in 2:3:5 ratio.
mm,
You initially go with 5. We For this, we have to inquire about what is the take home salary of a client. In that, what is his saving expenditure, apart from what is his savings. We have to take the savings. And even some customers are having good salary, they don't know how to invest and how to double the money also. We can explain them. If you go with this plan, let's say 2:3:5 ratio is there, it is a known ratio for mutual funds. We have to invest our 5 times of what savings, not 5 times, one fifth primarily. If it is falls for 10%, we have to go for 1/3. If it is again falls for 10%, we have to go for one second. We
Yeah.
can it comes for upselling.
Yeah. Today everything is going on selling only. Here,
Sir,
yes. Yeah.
Sir, if
Yes.
you allow me, I would like to interrupt.
Please tell who is speaking, please.
Prajwal Chavan.
Prajwal Chavan, I think you have worked in a bank itself earlier.
No, sir,
Please.
I am a startup guy. I started my own startup.
Acha. Please
So
tell us.
that was not important, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I want to share one of my friend who has today got an interview.
Yeah.
His experience was something much different.
Tell us.
Yeah, you might be aware of that. Aware of him, sir. He was a Shubham Gupta.
Shubham Gupta, I know.
Yeah. Today he faced his interview at Mumbai.
Yeah.
First, he gone. No document verification was there. Just they told him to place your document there and keep it in front of him.
No document verification. Very good.
Yeah. Second, let me complete, sir. Second, directly they asked to introduce yourself. After the introduction, they directly prefer to go towards his family background. Then they just came across his educational qualification and why he want to choose that federal internship program, what he know about him and all those things. Then directly they cleared that it is a purely sales job. Are you willing to join it? Second question, after that, they just told if your performance is not up to the satisfactory level, we will fire you within a 6 months. Are you still want to join? Then they just 3 to 4 times repeatedly ask him, you have to pay 1 lakh rupees plus taxes to join it. They just want to check his willingness. Then at last, means after checking all those things and personality traits and some questions around his and his what he mentioned in the registration form, all there was no question about banking and this.
Was there any question about selling?
Sorry.
Was there any questions about selling?
Yes, I'm coming towards it, sir.
Yeah.
At the last, they just told him one plan, one banking plan. What it maybe it was. I think it was a loan policy or scheme. He just told him to sell it. Them. After that, they turn over and given an example that this is a chair and you have to sell to us. He said he tried his best in English. Then they asked him to, do you know Hindi? So he replied, yes, sir, why not? So their question was to sell it in Hindi, that chair to him. Okay. He said, so then after he doesn't find that they are satisfactory. So they asked him to, do you know native language, means Marathi as well? If you are comfortable, can you sell it in Marathi? Marathi is our Maharashtra's native language. So he tried his best. Then after some questions regarding this as well, and repeatedly they are fixing in his mind that it is a purely sales job and you have to do sales activities and all those. Sir, I would like to know from you, what is they are just trying to to put stress on his mind and want to check his willingness, or is there really a sales job?
No.
We should opt it or not, sir?
No. Actually, your observation is correct. Sometimes in the interviews, they will create tension also, stress. They will create stress so that to find out whether you can get out of it. Because later on, once you join the bank, every day they will be conducting meeting. Every day they will be giving you bamboo, in the sense they will give you, why have you not achieved this target and all that. Are you willing to bear that? See, as a person who has experienced in say startups and other things, you must be knowing the problems of that, whether you have the willingness to stay with that. Now, my question is, my answer for this is, it will be more of a sales job. No doubt, it is more of a sales job, because bank people, they want more people to canvas more new businesses. So
Yes.
if you must be willing to take up sales job as your permanent job. Number two, you must be willing to travel. Number three, you must be willing to meet new people. Number four, you must be willing to request everybody,
Yeah.
persuade everybody. सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना है, दानाश्री प्लीज ले लीजिए, निखिल ये पॉलिसी ले लीजिए, एंड्रॉइड ब्लू ड्रॉइड प्लीज ये वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, श्रीनिधि ये तो अच्छा स्कीम है जी, आप इसको परचेस कर लो जी, हम आपको बहुत जो कुछ करना सब कुछ करेंगे हम। जिष्णु, यू आर द बेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड, आप थोड़ा हमारे लिए हेल्प कर दीजिए, ये प्रोडक्ट को परचेस कर लीजिए। लाइक दैट यू शुड गो ऑन बी रिक्वेस्टिंग पीपल, देयर इज नो एस्केप फ्रॉम दिस।
Sure, sir.
And
Sir, I know, sir, you are genius and you have a very vast experience regarding all these
yeah,
activities.
banking
Yeah,
in
banking
our case,
experience as well.
it was not this much. In our case,
Yeah.
our majority work, 60% was at the branch, 40% was outside.
Sir,
40% was outside, but
in his branch, in his batch, there were 4 candidates who are going to came to that interview. There were the 2 panel member who are taking their interview, and his number was third. Before him, 2 persons already entered in interview room. Just 2 to 3 minutes, that panel told him to just leave. It is
Oh,
okay.
maybe if a person has got difficulty in talking, difficulty in expressing, he will be sent out. Because
Sir, what will be a perfect answer that if someone told you to sell, means the person that Shubham told, Shubham's question was to sell his chair, and
chair.
one Julie, one of my friend,
Yeah.
panel member told him to sell a water bottle, Bisleri bottle.
That is a very
Sir,
famous question.
what will be the perfect answer for you?
There is no perfect answer in this. Are you confident about talking to others? For example, sir,
Okay.
this is Bisleri water product. This is a product which is 100% safe for you. Whereas other products, they do contain some chemicals. Whereas here, we try to make it chemical free, and you can consume it without any hesitation. And above all, the price of it when you buy it in bulk is very cheap, and it is available freely at the shop itself. So please buy this, sir. This is a very good product. I mean, you should talk like that and try to convince him. Like, for example, this is the chair. सर, एक कुर्सी तो बहुत बढ़िया कुर्सी है जी, एक कुर्सी से आप बैठ के काम करने से तो आपको बैक पेन नहीं होगा, नेक पेन नहीं होगा, और आप तो बहुत बढ़िया से काम कर सकते हैं। इसका दाम तो पहले तो 10,000 था, अभी तो बहुत कम हो गया, 4,000 में वी आर गिविंग इट। Could you follow what I am speaking?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Could
We
you
have to manipulate.
Yeah, not question of manipulate. You must be willing to, for example, look here, even here, I am just conducting interview. I initially conducted offering 200, 100. Then today I came down to 0 rupees for offering service to people. You know, this is the strategy we have to adopt. I don't say that this is a successful strategy. But this is one of the strategies we have to adopt, because there will be many strategies out of which one may click. Could you follow what I mean? I'm telling. I'm not trying
Yes.
to boast myself what I am doing. Today I am having 13 people present here, including myself. First day I am having this many numbers. First day I'm having this. And this is a very free product. Still people are not willing to come. Could you understand? Because
Yes.
people are not interested in meeting others. People are not interested or not capable of talking to others. So that is the reason. But people like Lucky, people like Prajwal, and people like Shamba Shiva, now he has improved his confidence. They can, Jishnu, they can develop confidence and speak. Number one, first of all, see, this is more suitable for youngsters. You can make a try for 6 months, 1 year in this job. If it comes out well, you click on to that. Otherwise, be preparing for other exams like IBPS, SBI, PO. Jump to that one.
Sir, I had one more question.
Have I answered your question, Prajwal?
Sorry, sir, but one
No,
more,
no.
sir.
No, ask me.
If you allow me, that was not a.
No problem. Anything here, this is not a secret forum. You can ask
Sir,
anything. But your question is whether it is fully sales oriented. I cannot say, because I'm not from Federal Bank. I don't know what is it they have in mind. But going by normal information, everybody is interested in improving sales. And so they want people for that. Yeah.
After seeing a lot of experiences on Telegram, WhatsApp, it's my own observation is that we must have to face the question related to sales, and that question should be like that. You have to sell this chair or that pen or what it may be. Yes, it is. And for that cracking means till now we have studied for the interview that banking
only.
awareness and personality traits. I don't think that is that much important. We just have we must have some strategy to tackle this question.
Yeah,
Sir,
that
is there any means specific words that what we can means
Yeah, I can.
gentleman
I
or
can-
like a
I can I have given you a link also now. I have given you a link for selling some product, bank product and all. See,
request you to share it on Telegram channel as well.
Yeah, it's a Telegram. Yeah, I will share in our Telegram also. Yeah, that will be good.
And sir, I would like to...
and also, you must be aware of my blog, sbank.in, achievement motivation. That is a very suitable product for this. sbank.in. Do you know about that or not?
No, don't know.
No, sir.
That is a very good blog which tells what are all the qualities that are required for a man to succeed in business. Please see this. I am posting it again in our Telegram. Right from the first, when I was telling you about your strengths, I was making use of it. Like say being creative, calculated risk taking, not too discouraged by failures, hardworking, etc. But all this is theoretical. Practically, when it comes, you must talk with confidence. See, it is only like this. Necessity is the mother of invention. Have you heard about necessity is the mother of invention? अभी देखिए, जब आपको जॉब नहीं है, आपको कोई जॉब में बैठना है, तब आप उसको पूरे से विश्वास रख के काम करना पड़ेगा. Could you understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have to believe in yourself and you have to put forth your 100% in it. And then
sir, I would like to add one point, sir.
Yeah.
Here, let's say for all of the candidates except you, the question is that interview may ask a question to you like in your family, anyone has purchased any policy or etc. Why they are interested in that policy? Like this type of questions also come.
Yeah.
If
then you must be knowing about your father's insurance policies and all. Just talk to him to get to know whether he has got LIC policy or whether he has got ICICI policy, and get to know the details. And you can tell they are asking this question because they want to find out whether the candidate is open with his parents, whether he is able
Yes.
to interact freely with parents, or are you brought like a child with no responsibility, no importance? Are you doing like that? That is the reason. Could you follow the reason?
Yes, sir. And my answer to all is, even though you don't know about all data, you just say yes and explain what you know about policy, any policy.
Mm.
They won't come and check. This,
Yeah.
this is the answer.
Exactly. Now, only next 10 minutes are there. And if this comes to an end, we will meet again. We will have 2 sessions of this way so that we
Okay.
can discuss some more points also. Danshri Piprade, you are from Maharashtra? Please unmute your mic, please, Danshri. Danshri, our mic is not working properly. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
she unmuted,
Yeah.
sir.
Good evening, sir. I have a question. Nikhil was here.
Nikhil, yeah, good evening. Good evening. Tell me, Nikhil.
How are you, sir?
Fine, fine.
Yeah. So
Now-
I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, my question is, so if there are 3 to 4 panel members are there, so for this sale purpose, so can we choose one volunteer from them?
No, you should look at the eyes of both the people or 3 people when you sell.
Okay.
That is why I asked here in one case, Lucky, why will you talk to me only or talk to others also? So you should
Yes.
talk to everybody, and
Okay.
but have your eyes on a particular person who is likely to buy from you. Nikhil,
Okay, sir.
you must
Yes,
have
sir.
your eyes on, say, Karan Malhotra. If he may be buying, then you must have an eye on him. You must
Okay,
have
sir.
an eye on him. So like that. Yeah. Srinidhi.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Myself, sir. So, yes, sir. My question is, sir, what do you mean by retail banking, sir? Exactly. What would be the job profile like?
So retail banking is canvassing of customers for opening of individual savings bank account, current accounts, individual FD accounts, or selling insurance products. This is a
Okay, sir.
retail banking. And
Okay,
for
sir.
that, there are different methodologies to adopted. Number one, by door-to-door canvassing. I used to do that.
Okay, sir.
When
Oh, okay, sir.
when I first time when I was posted as manager in a branch, I used to go to each and every house canvassing for a deposit, not alone. I will take a
Okay, sir.
clerical staff with me and go along with him, and I will send
Okay.
other officers also for canvassing. So that is what is retail banking. And the first and foremost thing, you have to join this program only if you are willing to take up sales job.
Okay, sir.
Be convinced you are going to enter as a salesperson. Your job is slightly different from LIC agent. LIC agent is paid commission only. Here you are paid salary. That is the only difference.
Okay,
And
sir.
your job is similar to a textile merchant shopkeeper, say retail sales, where you have to convince people who are coming for buying sarees to buy something. In textile shops,
Okay.
you are standing at the counter, you are going to sell it. You have to show them the product that they like and sell it. Similar strategy you have to adopt. They will verify your performance, evaluate your performance. You must be willing to allow yourself to be evaluated by others. The main problem for all of us, including myself, is we don't want ourselves to be evaluated by others. We don't want others to evaluate us less. Could you understand my point? Are you able
Yes,
to get?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the basic problem. See, if somebody is there and he says, you are not at all doing good work. it's okay. You continue to work. Only 50% of us will work. 50% of us will run away from that place. Those 50% of people who are working are people who need salary for their next month food.
Yes.
Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If money is your requirement, you will be willing to take up any hittings that they give. But if you feel that money is not very much required for the present, you will not be inclined to listen to him. Lucky is a person who has worked in insurance company and is now willing to come over here. Can you tell me why you are jumping from insurance to banking, Lucky?
Sir, actually, in insurance, we have to sell only insurance products, where in banking, we have number of more products, like we can sell car loan. Car loan is also there, but we can open new savings accounts, current accounts. This also comes under business for the bank.
Mm,
Apart from this, we can go for insurances
mm,
and auto loans, housing loans. In
mm.
insurance company, we can't give housing loans. We
No,
can
no.
give insurance for a house.
I will differentiate this way. Banking has certain products which people need it immediately. For example, housing loan, एजुकेशन लोन, ये सब तो लोग को चाहिए,
Yes, sir.
वो जरूर चाहिए.
Yes,
लेकिन
sir. Yes.
आपका इंश्योरेंस तो इज इम्पोर्टेंट, बट लोग तो उसका इम्पोर्टेंस ज्यादा नहीं देगा.
Yes, sir.
So that
When
is our,
compared these both, yes, sir. Yes.
when compared to loan products, selling loan products is easy, but your bank will ask you not to sell only loan products. They will ask you to sell other cross selling also, like insurance, wealth management, so many things. But in my experience, I have seen people who have worked in ICICI, HDFC and all, they have all done well only. But many of them are jumping over from there to this place because there the salary is low.
Yes, sir.
ICICI pays 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees salary for a 4-year serviced person. Whereas here you are getting a good salary. That is the reason why they are all jumping. And you will be able to sell the product because your bank product is good. Federal Bank has got a good name. There is a lot of competition. Still, you must be able to do it. And it all depends on our luck also. You must come across people who are really needing that product. I hope you understand my points. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Good.
sir,
Now,
this is Shiva, sir.
Shiva, welcome.
Thanks for the clarification, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, regarding the notification of Federal Bank, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, after completion of the 2 years, we will promoted as a PO.
Yeah.
Sir, in that PO, sir, there is any changes are there in the role change, means like operations?
Even after becoming PO, you may be required to go out for canvassing.
Okay.
Even after becoming PO, your job will be to go out for camp. Probably by that time, you would have been accepted into the real bank service.
Yes, yes.
So the percentage may be reduced, 40%, 60%, like that. But
yes, in
you,
my
yeah,
I seen ICICI, some of my friends are there, so they are previously for sales only first of all. Then after completion of 1.5 year or 2 years, they are promoted as senior officers as the operations. They are also doing the branch operations, also cross sale also.
Yeah, that one. See, it is like this, after seeing your face for some time, when they start developing affection, they will continue to retain you there only. Anytime this may stop, we will restart again immediately after 1 minute or so. So next 1 minute is there. So if you join with hesitation, you won't be able to do well. You must be, this is a good jump for freshers because you will get immediately salary after some time and also job experience. You can experience that how it is, but it,
yes, sir.
Yeah. Jishnu, any point you would like to say?
Sir, I am good. I am clear.
You are clear about it. Yeah.
I am convinced.
You are convinced about joining. See,
we are not only going with sales, but also with the
But also regular working.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Actually, this Shiva, sir. Actually, my point of view, sir, the freshers are getting a good salary.
Yeah.
Actually, so because their experience will really Manipal certificate is very useful for that of the further IBPS CL2 examinations. So definitely this will be good choice.
Correct.
So
Now this
my
won't
suggestion is
help
that, sir.
in.
Actually,
Actually,
my
I would
suggestion
like
is
to add
that, sir.
point.
Yeah. If it
It
stops, we
won't
will meet again because less than a minute is there. Lucky,
it
continue.
won't help for scale 2 or scale 1 as it is internship. It is not an experience certificate. It is an internship program